Welcome back to Invest Insight. The stock market is exciting, but real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth creation for centuries. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of making your money work for you through real estate investing. Let's start by looking at a major player in the real estate space like Simon Property Group, a retail real estate investment trust, REIT. The company's stock has seen strong performance over the past year. The consistency and stability that a company like Simon Property Group can offer highlights the potential for steady, long-term returns in the property sector. The foundations of real estate wealth. Real estate investing is fundamentally different from other assets. The primary way it builds wealth is through a combination of four powerful factors: appreciation. Over time, property values typically increase. While there are market fluctuations, the long-term trend for well-located real estate is upward. Cash flow. This is your rental income minus your expenses. Positive cash flow puts money in your pocket every month. Leverage. This is the secret sauce. You can control a large asset with a relatively small amount of your own money. This magnifies your returns. Tax advantages. Governments often provide significant tax breaks for property owners and investors, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Strategies for investing. There are several paths you can take to make your money work for you in real estate. Rental properties. This is the traditional buy and hold strategy. You purchase a residential or commercial property and rent it out. This method provides consistent cash flow and long-term appreciation. The key here is diligent tenant screening and smart property management. Real estate investment trusts. For those who want to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord, REITs are an excellent option. They function much like dividend-paying stocks and trade on major exchanges. House flipping. This is a more active, short-term strategy. You buy a property that needs work, renovate it, and quickly sell it for a profit. This requires construction knowledge, market timing, and capital to cover the purchase and renovation costs. Real estate crowdfunding. This is a newer approach where you pool your money with other investors online to fund larger commercial real estate projects. It offers access to institutional quality deals with lower initial investment amounts. Risks and considerations. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not without risks. Illiquidity. Unlike stocks, you can't sell a property overnight. It can take weeks or months to convert your asset into cash. Costs. Beyond the mortgage, be prepared for maintenance costs, property taxes, insurance, and potential vacancies where you have no rental income. Market risk. Just like any market, real estate values can go down. A market crash can wipe out equity quickly. Start small, think big. The power of real estate investing lies in its ability to generate multiple streams of income and build substantial equity over decades. Whether you choose to be a hands-on landlord, a passive REIT investor, or anything in between, the key is education and patience. Start by researching your local market or exploring the world of REITs. Your money is ready to go to work for you.